cover crops are my very favorite method of turning good soil into great soil in the no-till garden. So what are cover crops and why do I love them so much? A cover crop is simply a plant that you grow for the primary purpose of improving the soil. And the reason I love them is because the plants do some or all of the work for you, and they can do quite a lot of work. All cover crops are going to improve your soil by adding organic matter and also boosting the soil texture. Some cover crops give you some bonus features as well. Cover crops like this buckwheat attract beneficial insects, and fast-growing cover crops, which this also happens to be one of, will block out weeds. Other cover crops, such as rye and barley, will grow mulch that you can use like straw in other areas of the garden. Legumes, such as vetches, will add nitrogen to the soil. And some cover crops will break hardpan. These are the cover crops like oilseed radishes that have deep roots that will plow deep into the subsoil. All that said, this is a brief overview in this course of what's a pretty big topic. If you want to dig deeper, definitely check out the resources in the fact sheet. But don't get lost in the weeds right now. Instead, let's just move on to one cover crop that I definitely recommend you give a try in your own garden.